Jefego, as an when the door is open, the mouth open. Na you baby, anya biakwa. Ami akwadoro anyị na mma. Na ya driver na ụtụ. Driver na efe. Driver na abalị. Ife ọ bụ na tiere aka, ọ na agara anyị nke ọma. Oya driver na nkwọ. Driver na ori. Driver na afọ. Dukwara mmụọ na eke. Eke dara anyị ife ọma. Nkwọ ya kwụtakwara anyị ife ọma. Ori, ya ori tokwara anyị ife ọma. Afọ, afụtakwara anyị ihe ọma. Wow. Ebe barugo bere kasi be ebela. Asum ka nkukwa ya. Kokoroko! Bati wo.
Wago wili, woko. Woko. Ogele kokoroko. Ko yo go on kampu. Kete mala chosia ganya. Why are you disturbing the peace of this family with your useless noise? Will you die in your foolishness?
One legged chair. What is the color of your problem this morning? What is your problem? So you came here and pour the drinks that I brought from my ancestors. See, you have committed abomination. Yes, a taboo. You are going to pay for that drink. You are going to bring a he-goat and 20 kola nuts. And you are going to bring it, now.
Stop. But let me tell you, idiots. If you want to eat goat meat, if you truly want to eat goat meat, you should go to Okolo Oche, steal goat from there, and stand the chance of being banished from this village.
Hey, is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes. That is what I have to say. Is what I have to say. What will you do?
Nah. See, somebody's going to join the ancestors. I'm going to eliminate somebody now.
Hey! What is this? Stop it! What is wrong with you?
In fact, somebody, I'm going to teach this person who got a lesson of his life.
Do you want to break your brothers and men in there?
Oh, Gini! When will both of you stop this foolishness, Bikon? Do you not know you are twins? Bechanu! And you, Nkata, you must learn to respect your elder brother.
This idiot can never be my brother.
But he came before you.
Wickedness! Why will we struggling to come up because I was not to cry? This idiot broke my leg! Broke my leg! You see that fight that we were fighting inside our mother's room? And we are here to settle it. Hey, give up.
Beautiful maiden of Umeze, I greet you.
Binta,
Yes?
may your day be good.
It's already good. The gods have seen me in prosperity today. I can see you gather some firewood.
Yes, and I'm on my way home. I'm hurrying home before my father starts to worry about me.
Worry about you? I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. The gods have smiled on us with their mercies.
Please send my greetings to him. And also tell him that I'm coming as soon as possible to see him when I'm done with what I'm doing.
It is well, I will tell him. May the gods of the forest bring plenty gems to your favor today.
He say, hurry home for the sake of your father.
Thank you.
to be ready to bury somebody. I shall see me like this. I'm going to bury somebody now. If I don't bury somebody.
It's okay. I get it. I want to be piano. What is this?
Okay, stop! For his information, he's going to bring palm wine, a drink that we are going to use to abuse because he's not going to bring palm wine. What will you do? Come back. Something is missing here.
I'm going to the stream to get some water. If any of my friends come looking for me, tell them to sit and wait for me, or better still, come and look for me in the stream.
It is well, my daughter. Hasten up before the stream becomes lonely. And do not delay on your way. Hmm?
Ichi, I greet you.
Dinta, Ichi, how are you?
I'm very fine, Ichi.
I hope it is well. This one, you are not at your hunting business and you are here.
Ichi, it is well. It is well, Ichi. Our people say that the fowl does not forget the person that pulls its tails during the rainy season.
Bam, bam.
Ichi, you are the one that taught me the act that I follow today. The act of tracking and luring animals and catching it alive. Ichi, honestly, I must be very frank to tell you that you are the one that made me the Dinta, the highest Dinta in the land of Umeze. Ichi, this is your handwork.
But is that why you are not hunting today and you are here?
Ichi, honestly, this is a good fish meat I brought for you. Yes, this meat was very well dried and prepared, especially for you, Ichi. Just to show appreciation of what you have done to my life. Ichi, this is it.
My son, Ichi, you have done well. Thank you. My blessings will continue to follow you like a watchdog wherever you go. The forests will continue to give you what you will eat and not those things that will consume you. It is well with you. You have done well.
I appreciate so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It is well prepared. It's very much dried.
Some people are beating my brother. Oh no, make it up. Go show me.
Let's go now. Wait. Okay. Are we no longer going to kill Azamanda?
I am going to kill them, but I want you to tell me what they did to you. What you did to them that made them to beat you up like this.
What kind of late question is this? You would have asked me this kind of question before we embark on this journey. Why are you asking me now?
That is because I know how foolish you are. Yes, so I know you. See, I am not going to embark on a journey to fight someone without knowing the reason and how this fight begins.
Nkata. You see, Azama and Agube, they are drunk. They came to my farm. In fact, they mistook my own farm as their own.
Aya!
Then I tried to prevent them from farming on my own farm. They start beating me up.
Ajama!
Huh? That is the thing.
They started beating you up.
Yes.
Oh! Oh! So you want to tell me that Azama and his brother came to your farmland and they beat you up like this? You could not defend yourself. Huh? Oh! I see.
You see what? What did you see? Nkata, what did you see? He said, in fact, there is no time. There is no time. Let us go and finish all these children of Ekwensu.
I am not going anywhere.
You see?
Alameja!
You see?
I'm not going.
Why?
If you want to go and fight them, go there and face your battle alone.
I said, why? If I may ask.
Don't ask me why you. Huh? Don't ask me why. Because I know you. I know you would want me to go and fight them. And in the result of that, I might damage my one remaining leg. Obali, Obali, so that you will now sit one place. You will be laughing at me.
Nkata, you are my own twin brother. Let me ask you this question. Does it mean that you are not ready to fight for your own brother?
Fight your battle alone. Yes. Go and fight your battle alone. No. Just leave me out of it.
Now that I know that you are not meant to do anything, that you are useless, you look like a cobweb.
Hey!
Yes, you look like a worm. You are completely foolish he-goat.
Oh!
Yes, look at you. Yes, I know from the onset. I know it now. I know it.
You know what?
You are a disgrace to
What that is a disgrace. You the drunkard beat you up.
Huh?
If I don't power, get the malachaga.
Thunder will fire you.
Put the word.
Huh?
You're a shameless man.
Look at you.
If I don't power,
It is when you reach my side. That is when you try to do like a crab. Crack. Look, but thunder will fire you. Anytime you touch me.
Thunder will first of all fire you.
See,
Get the malachaga.
it's better. Let us go and fight the fight. Let us go and fight the fight.
I will not try it.
You will not try it.
But come on. By the way, I will take every other thing from you, but not insult.
Eh?
Oh yes!
Huh?
As again, I will not take insult from you. Now, if you dare insult me, I will show you what fire does to the ear of a rabbit.
That is where I am now. That is where you get power. You cannot do it. You cannot exploit your power outside.
I cannot do it.
No problem.
Where are you going there? I don't power. Get the malachaga. Let me come and fight. Idiot. I don't power. This idiot. So you were actually thinking that I'm going to fight Azuma. Foolish idiot. Now you want me to go and fight someone. Huh? By that way, I might destroy my remaining leg. Obali, get the malachaga. Foolish idiot. See, let me tell you. Huh? I blame our parents who agreed to have twins as children.
See, now that I know that you have a chicken brain.
Huh?
Yes, you have a fowl brain, a chicken brain. You just borrowed your brain somewhere. Do you know that children making is the decisions of the gods? You foolish twin brother. You foolish bedbug brother. That is whom you are.
Come, let me tell you. You that have big brain. I've forgotten again. You that have big brain, yet you're jobless. You are jobless. Roaming about the village, singing and dancing like a dry seasoned grasshopper. Yes, so you money fellow you're very stupid.
See, just because you followed me to this journey and you brought me bad luck, bad omen, in fact, evil omen and greed. See, I am not jobless. I am a farmer and I'm doing well in it.
You're a fool. So who is not doing well in his own business? Yeah? Am I not also doing well? I'm even richer than you.
Yeah?
Yes! Now let me tell you. I know that you wanted me not to come out at all. Yes! You are the one that is greedy here. I know you never wanted me to come out. If I wasn't strong enough, if I wasn't strong enough, you wouldn't have allowed me. You would have prevented me from coming out. If not, when I insisted, you tried to destroy one of my legs. You've broken my leg now, but we'll fight to finish.
Okay, Bedbug, let me tell you something. You have to count yourself lucky.
Mosquito.
Because if I know that you have done this kind of thing to me in this present world, I would have made you to disappear in the womb. I would have made you to disappear because Ibo knows.
Must you always quarrel and fight?
I want this useless bedbug that refused to give me the respect that I deserve in this house. Don't you know that I am your elder brother? I am the elder brother.
What happened?
What happened? He's strongly. Kokoroko! Bati war. Kokoroko! He refused to allow me to pick one of the meat inside the pot. Now, can you imagine?
Is that why you're standing here and shouting? Quarreling?
Is it not enough?
That is the problem.
Listen, let me tell both of you. I don't know why you should be behaving like little children in no way. Is it because I am here looking at your faces? Instead of you to go and get a maiden, go and look for a maiden and bring in here as a wife to continue to take care of you people, you will not do it. Stop rendering my services to you. Go and get a maiden. Go and get a wife. What is this? I got in our warfare. Look at the way they are making noise and fighting all the time.
Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen where your stubbornness have landed us?
Don't worry, I know his problem. He cannot be able to stand and speak to a woman. That is your problem. You know you cannot do that. Yes, sir.
Let me laugh to our ancestors. See, can you imagine? Because I know that this thing you are talking like this is not meant for me. Look at one-legged fowl. Look at that worm. Look at that. Half-made man. He's telling me that I cannot talk to a woman.
Complete man. Let me surprise.
You're such a disgrace. I'm going to step out here to bring one beautiful
What about you?
Hey! If you want me to go to the village and bring multitude of women, yes, sir. I didn't come
it's your uncle.
tested and trusted. I didn't come
You go join the cable.
tested and trusted.
Very good. It is okay.
I will bring them for you to do selection yourself. Hiya!
Go inside. Go and bring that pot of soup. Go and bring the meat in the pot so that I will supervise the sharing. I will follow you. Go and bring it.
I will follow you so that you don't eat it. Oh no, Shan. Bring it out. I told you. What is it? I told you. Let him bring it out. Bring it out now. Bring it out. You will drag him. Leave him. Bring it out. Oh, Chimuwele. Oh, you are running to go away. Come. Yeah, come back here.
Adiro, my friend, he said he is serious with his proposal. And I asked him to come to my my father will know that he is serious.
Hey! Are you not a lucky maiden? I am so happy for you. Hey! Ncheta, so very soon, you will now be addressed as Oriakun Zube the hunter.
Yes.
And you answer?
Hey! I'm so happy, my friend.
I'm happy for you.
And I pray that the gods will send you a man that will love you and take your hands in marriage.
He say, huh? Oriakun abia abia. Hey, Zube.
Gods of Umweze, what crime have I committed against you that you decided to punish me with two good-for-nothing children? Two fully grown-up men, farmers with big farm bands, but with little heads. Is this eventually how they will get a maiden, marry them, and then live their lives? Please, give them some senses to live their lives.
Say, hey, devil, Okolo Karisia. He said no. Hey, but who owned that prayer?
You and your brother, so that you have some senses to live your lives well.
Ne, are we not living our lives well? Huh? If I can remember, we are the biggest farmers in this village, and we own the biggest yam barn in this village. Huh? Have you forgotten?
Common sense is not the ownership of big yam barn, but being able to be real men.
I know where you're going to. Or maybe Naga. I know where you're going to. And I have told you countless times without number. I've told you times without number that you should not be bothering yourself. Yeah, so don't bother yourself no more. Huh? I've already met a maiden. I have a maiden that I'm going to settle down with. Huh? I will soon bring her for you to approve. Right now. I am so angry, and I am taking 5 tubers of yam to Dintan Zedike. Huh? He's not buying anything, no. He's not buying anything. Cha. No, I won't even buy. Okay, forget. He twisted my hands behind me, threatening to break the 2 hands. Oh, what is that? Then your idiotic boy, your idiotic son will sit back and laugh at me. Hey man, order again. Order go. In fact, he hired him to deal with me. Hired no. Okay for that boy. Oh, Chibuwene. Ha! By the time I'm done with him, come see either. Hey! Adoma. The gods of my forefathers, I greet you. I came here with Akboro Achia. Yes, to appease you. To thank you how you allow us to wake up this morning with my family members. Yes. All I'm asking today is for you to see us through in our labor. Provide for us what we're going to eat. Whatever that is going to eat us, remove it from our way. Whatever we put our hands, let us prosper in it. Remove our enemies from us. Bless us in Eke, bless us in Ode, bless us in Afo. dash mouth at me.
Did I spit on you?
No. In our life, you don't see me.
Let me tell you the truth. It's the gods that decided to favor you today. By allowing this apparachia, it should allow you to test the smell, in fact, to perceive the apparachia that I used to appease to them. So, by using wind, not me. So why are you complaining here? You should be happy. You should be happy for the gods.
I know what you want to do. Yes! I know you and I know what you want to do. Okay. You want to get me angry. You want to get me angry, but I will not allow you. Today I am going to see my maiden. Yes, so I am going to see my maiden, so I will not allow you get me angry.
It seems that we are on the same mission. Yes, because I will also go out to look for a beautiful maiden that will be my own wife. The gods of my ancestors, as I speak, so shall it be.
Nkata. Ekwe. Are you not going to the farm today?
Farm? Hey! Have you forgotten? I am going to speak to the maiden that I have been seeing, so that I will speak to her to come and see you.
Hey!
Kokoroko! Just because they heard that I'm going out to look for a beautiful maiden, they just decided to go out to look for their own maiden. Have you seen it?
You're also going to look for
yes!
Hey!
Yes!
That's very good. Hey, I am so happy. You know, now I want to go to the women's meeting. If I get there, I am going to brag about my two sons going to get wives. Yes! Okuna Amaka, I am so happy. Because if you get there, behave yourselves. Fight. I don't want you people to quarrel.
Fight.
Eh?
I'm too big to be young.
Hey, this is it.
I'm too old to be young.
Yes, so this is what I'm talking about. So be happy. Ben off my
See? I left that mess. I left the people do agua.
Kokoroko! Pachi wo. Kokoroko! Pachi wo. Iyakata. Oh, Adurenaya. Wabusoma. Oh, the maiden of Umeze clan. I greet you beyond all goodness.
Did my father order yams from you?
Mbano, this gift you are saying, I brought it from the bottom of my heart to you.
Ekwe.
Eh?
What did you just say about these yams before me?
I know that your eyes are very surprised by the sudden gift of these 2 bags of yams that I brought to you. But I want to tell you something. They said it is a day that a story starts. Anyway, is your father at home?
No. My father is not at
home. Here?
I am the only one at home. He has gone out to meet with his kinsmen. He's not at home.
Okay, anyway, don't worry. I'm not in a haste to go. I will sit here and wait for him to come back from his journey so that I can tell him why I brought this gift, these 2 bags of yam, to his hut. Am I permitted to sit down? Oh,
Sit down.
Adure Naya. Yeah, Adure Naya. Up now.
Nkata, welcome.
And what is this vulture doing here? I hope it's not what I'm thinking, no. I hope it's not what I'm thinking that he's here to do.
I wouldn't know what you're thinking if you have not thought it aloud. By the way, why are you here bearing these leaves? What are they?
It's not vegetable. It's a flower. My love flower. My little way of declaring my love towards you. Huh?
What is funny? Why are you laughing like that?
Sorry. Sorry, I was wondering. I was wondering why you became a goat that must be fed with grasses from the forest.
Don't mind this idiot. You know, madness starts with little murmurs and laughter. Maybe his insanity is returning gradually.
May Amadioha strike you with thunder.
May thunder from Ikenga bend your neck. Yes! As I'm going to follow and say, may thunder, in fact, may hunter's bullets chop off your head.
Adure, I want to ask you, when did you or your father send him to go and bring good fodder for your father's goat?
You are mad for calling my love flower good fodder. Adure, don't mind this idiot. Don't mind this idiot that is always bent on bringing bad luck in my way. Yes. No. I present this my love flower to you. Would you be my maiden?
Hey! It's a lie! It will never happen over my dead body. What is your problem? Nkata, let me ask you this question. Why did you always come to buy something from where I come to buy something from? What is your problem? See, this girl you are seeing like this Adure you are seeing like this, is the one that made me to come here so that I can propose to her. All of a sudden you come here. What is your problem? What is your problem?
Hey! Did you just throw my love flower into the bush?
Why? Why not?
If you know what is good for you, how would you tell a Hey! If you don't want people to gather for us, go into that bush, retrieve my flower, make you jaja.
I can never do it. You lie too much.
Okay. Hey!
I will kill you.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What are you people doing?
Thank God you are back.
Yes.
Thank the gods you are back.
Yes, I am back. And I demand to know what both of you are doing in my state.
Ichi Azondo. He started this love fight with me.
Love fight. Love fight.
there are many ready, beautiful maidens around? Eh?
Ne. You see that maiden? That maiden is someone I want to settle for. So please do me a huge favor and tell this Akanogoli, tell this Okuku Okuku Kokoloko to stay clear from her. Ha!
Aja no susogono. Eh? Agwo susogono. Let's bet. Let's bet. If I ever allow you to marry that maiden that you set your eyes on. Because let me tell you, before you could imagine that you have that kind of maiden in your heart, I have already set my eyes on her. And you can never prevent me from getting her. Yes. I will forgive.
Bia Nkata, if you unalive your brother now, what do you stand to achieve?
A lot! Sending this idiot to the world beyond, I will achieve so much. Yes!
You will achieve a lot. Eh? That shows that they are going to give you a title, a special title. It's your woman ya wa.
Makanezum
keme. Ibu zumura.
Makanezum keme.
Ibu cho. Ibu tobo. Eh? In fact, you're Ibu habatozu. Nonsense.
Chelo, ekwe mwambiko kene. Please, listen to your mother. Nanya, there is no point fighting over this particular maiden. Eh? There are other beautiful maidens that are ready and ripe for marriage in Umweze. Why don't you just look for another one and leave this particular?
Good advice. Good advice.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will I ever be alive and allow this kokoroko, this useless idiot to marry my maiden. Unless if I join my ancestors, that is when it can happen.
Omaka.
Yes.
Omaka. So be prepared because I will send you to the world beyond. Yes.
Okay.
What shall I say?
What shall I say? Huh? No, have you seen it? Have you seen how wicked this young kata, this gem? Look, could you imagine that my yams are still at Ichiazondo's compound? That shows that Azondo and his mother have already accepted my proposal.
You lie! This is Sialo. Me not so fee. If it's yam they want, I will take a full basket of yam.
Have you seen it? Huh?
Yes!
Have you seen it? It will never happen. You say you never alive. I love that man. Nobody can take away from me.
I will bring it back.
Nkata, if you continue to play with my senses, I'll throw you out of my house.
Hey, Nkata, now can you tell us what brought you here?
I pardon that misuse of words. What brought me here were my two legs. And to you, Ichiazondo, I came here with these 2 bars of yam to make my interests known to your daughter. To ask for her hand in marriage.
Eh?
Yes.
What did you say?
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the man of the house, my fellow man, and not you.
Hey.
Are you now a man?
Nkata,
It's you.
am I the one that you have come to marry?
Hey!
Or my daughter?
Hey, no. Hey! But now, are you now a maiden?
It is well. So have you spoken to the maiden that you are about to come and propose to?
The wooden gong of the clan.
Who am I saying? Akala.
Yes.
Akala. Sit. Ochedi. Eh? How? In fact, you came well. Your legs are very good. As you can see, I I roasted a fresh palm fruit. You can enjoy yourself.
Is this the kola nuts you will serve me for coming to your house?
Kala, what are you saying? Our people say is something that someone have that you will present as a kola. This is the palm fruit that I have. And I roasted it well with some salt added to it. So it is not as bitter as kola nut. So you can enjoy yourself.
Is that your answer?
What else are you expect me to say? After all, did I invite you to come to my place? Did I?
You always have an answer to every word or question. And why are you holding my hands?
Because the time has expired. Yes, if you want to eat my palm fruit now, you have to pay some cowries. What is it? Hey! Are you okay? Are you okay? See, if you want to eat this palm fruit, you have to.
What is it? What is it? What is the problem?
Then did I agree to you? It is ordinary palm fruits that Ekwe does not allow me to take some.
Ekwe!
Negwe!
Do you have to be stingy with ordinary palm fruits? Akala is just a visitor. Why won't you allow him have some of the fruits?
I will never allow him to take some palm fruit. Because the moment I gave him the opportunity, he started asking me too many questions. So the time has expired.
Now, let me quickly go and roast another palm fruit for you.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Ekwe, you are very stingy.
I have to be stingy. The way you look like a frog. Look at how you look. You are here want to consume this thing. You have to be careful. Anytime I offer you something, you have to make use of the opportunity. Not let I start. I know that you don't have anything. Come and join me to this work.
This way.
Hold this thing for me.
Where is your brother?
My brother. Am I my brother's keeper? I'm not my brother's keeper. Hold this thing like this. Hold the other end.
Ichie, what are you saying? That I should take my basket full of yams back home? Do you know how heavy this basket of yam is?
I think it is time for me to explain my own proverbs to you, so that the money, bright price paid on the head of your mother will not be a waste. The way these things are done is that if you have interest in a maiden, first of all, you go and meet that maiden, and both of you will speak and agree. And after you have agreed, then you can come and meet the father for approval. Obro ibruji, one basket full of yam, one basket full of yam. So take back your one basket full of yam and go away. When you have agreed with my daughter, you can come back to me.
Azondo. You say this basket full of yams that I came here with is not following me back home. It's staying here. You hear? After all, the little tiny piece of yams that my brother brought here the other day is still here. You did not ask him to take it home. Why are you asking me to carry my own? Mbo, see, this one here is going to be an advance for your daughter.
Yeah? Nkata, come and take your yams back, and even tell your brother to also come and take his own back. What kind of useless children are these?
What are we going to do with these yams they abandoned?
We are going to keep it for them. When they are ready, they will come back and take them. We are going to keep it for them.
Hey.
What kind of useless people are these?
Wait. Remove your hand from this.
Let it be. Let it be.
Nah, boy, and Kitty, oh, just enjoy your palm fruit.
Yeah, welcome. What is the problem? Why are you making noise with? Why eating this palm fruit? Must you use your mouth and be shouting while eating this palm fruit? Why can't you coordinate yourself very well? Huh?
Hey, we stop troubling this young man. Is he making the noise with your mouth?
Yes, Nne. Yes, Nne. He is making the noise. The noise is not good to my ears. It's very, very unpleasant. Look at how a human being like him is eating like a dog. Like a pig.
Then use the fruits to plug your ears.
Huh? Ocho. Huh? You cannot eat like a human being.
No.
Kokoroko! Pati wo!
Why is your face like a stoned excrement?
You have to give him one of them, but I would make him happy.
Ekwe nso ọdụ ogologo akpakenem no akpakenem makana ikpakem. Listen to me, let me tell you. I am not in the good mood. I am already angry, like I am burning in anger. Akpakenem.
But it is you I have come to see.
Go home and come tomorrow.
You have to go. Look at how you look. You don't even look like a man. You look like a masquerade. You look like a mama masquerade.
Adania, who is at home? Adura, it's me. Hey, Cheta. No. Adura, my friend. I thought some men have paid some money on your head. That is why you are scarce from seeing me lately. And I said to myself, Ncheta, come and see your friend. I am here. Ncheta, sit, let me get some water for you to drink. I am okay. I've taken too much water that will sustain me for today. So, where have you been? My dear friend Ncheta, I have been helping my father out with some works and that has kept me from coming out. Also, a lot of things have been happening around me lately. Are you getting married? Some weird ones came bearing baskets of yams. How many are they? 2. 2 from the same womb of a woman of Umueze. 2 brothers. Do I know this man from Umueze? Nkata and his brother Ekwe. Did you accept any of them? My father told Nkata to come and speak to me first before coming for his approval. He dropped his yams and left. He dropped them and left. So what will you do? Do? Is it not when you hear the words coming out from the speaker that you think of the answer to give him or her? Do you know that these men fought in my father's state? In front of my father. Both of them, they fought here. Those men, they always fight for little things. My friend, you have seen a lot lately. Thank the gods that you understand now. How would you go my name? Did you say you do not want to drink water? I am fine. I'm okay. I've taken a lot of water that will sustain me for today. I'm okay. It is well. Let me go to the back of the house and bring some fruits for us to eat. Start going. Be fast. I'm a mijagobia. Ogwa.
Kokoroko! Patch patchy war. Kokoroko! Patch patchy war. Today is beautiful. It look like a good day. I need a keg of palm wine and antelope meat, that is anongbada. I can enjoy myself. Isn't it? My ancestors.
Ekwedike,
Nekwedike.
are you not going to the farm?
Yeah.
Eh? Your brother has already gone to the farm very early in the morning and you're still here, ululating.
Ululating for what? I'm still doing the work. Nekwedike. Let me tell you something. You cannot stand in a queue to make money. In fact, what my body needs now is for me to entertain myself, to use a keg of palm wine and antelope meat, that is anongbada, from a good hunter. That is what my body needs now.
So is anything stopping you from doing that? Eh? Wait, have you even brought home a maiden that I asked you to bring for my approval?
For that one, I will bring the one that will please your heart. But there is a problem.
Problem?
Yes.
What problem?
Your one-legged fowl, Ocho. That bed bug you born, that you called Nkata, has started to be a stumbling block to my love ambition.
I don't understand.
See, do you know that it is where I went to buy fish? That is where Nkata went to buy pepper.
Chelu, are you trying to say that you have eyes on the same maiden as your brother?
No, it is Nkata who set his eyes on a maiden that I was in love since I was born.
Hey! Hey, no! What have I done to these boys? What have I done to you boys? Eh? Hey! Wait. Listen to me. Let me tell you what to do. I need you to go and get a keg of palm wine now. Get a keg of palm wine. Run to the girl's father's house. Tell him your intention towards his daughter.
Nekwe, I have done that. Nekwe, I have done that. Do you know that I took 2 bags of yam to Azonde's compound to let him know my own, in fact, for him to approve my proposal. But as soon as I turned back, Nkata came with a bag, in fact, with a basket of 2 bags of yam.
You say he did what? He came back with 2 bags of yams?
Yes.
Hey!
Yes. Do you know, I want you to warn him, warn him. There is a war. In fact, I'm going to bury somebody alive. In fact, I'm going to commit Nkata in the hands of my ancestors. I can never be alive, and Nkata will be challenging me with the love of my life. It can never happen over my dead body. It can never happen. Madam, my ancestors, I hope you are hearing me.
If they refuse to come and take their yams, my father said he would get some news to come and take and send it back to them. That means your father does not approve of their proposal to marry you. But do you like any of them? If my father asks for my opinion, I will tell him to discard Nkata and approve Ekwe. That Ekwe is too troublesome. He's always fighting with people. He's a fighter. Well, I don't blame you.
Beautiful maidens of Umeze.
Peter,
I greet
how are
you.
you today?
The gods have shown us mercy. Where are you up to?
I want to accompany my friend to get some yams for her mother.
Yes, Dinta, I greet you.
Ncheta, the gods of Umeze shower his blessings upon you. Adure, I have a little gift for you. This is a bushmeat I dry very well, especially for you. Enjoy it with your friend.
Hey,
Thank you so much. You're so kind. Thank you for the gift.
I'm hurrying to market to sell the rest of the ones I have here.
Oh, thank you.
Adure, greet your father for me. He's a good man.
Here we hear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, I know Anini.
Adure, is he among the cheaters?
Ncheta, are you not aware of how connected he is with my family? It was my father who taught him the act of hunting games, and he's always appreciative of it.
Well, Dinta will not be a bad cheater if he asks. Marry him.
Ncheta, please keep your face where your feet are looking. Let's go.
Eat it alone.
Eat it alone.
I did not have much to do at the farm. I only went to direct my yam tenders.
What is this that I'm hearing from your brother?
What has he done again? Maybe he farted and you heard the sound. You know I wasn't there to hear what you heard. Had it been I was there, I would have known what you heard and know how to answer you.
He said that you are now putting your leg into the water he wants to fetch.
Water what? We've not been to the stream ever since we became adults.
That is not the water I'm talking about.
Okay, what water can you do?
Gente, what he's trying to say is that you are now putting your eyes to the maiden he wants to marry.
Oh, he's crying already. He's now crying. We've not even started the dance and he's crying to you. I saw a maiden first. I took 2 bars of yam to the father. He just took smaller. Yeah? But I took baskets of yam. And he's here whining.
Pati wo iwo anu gboko ibo otu ibo onye nwuru anwu na gite. See any day I see your leg in that house, I'm going to cut one of your leg. In fact, you will become crippled.
Wanyan.
Edangoro.
No.
Eh?
Try it. Is it by talking? But is it by talking? No. Try it. No. It's by action. Hey!
Irubingo. Yom. Look at you. Don't you know that you're one-legged fowl? You're a handicap. You see cripple. You're close to Ngoro. Yes, you're a cripple. Look at you. Look at how you are.
Have you seen it?
I am going to your father's brother. I will tell them what you have decided to do to me in this house.
It has gotten to that! I swear it has gotten to that! Ogene, what did I do to you people? Eh? I am going to tell them what is happening so that when it happens, they will know how it started. Aga m agwa ha n'ụlọ bụ alụ. Wait, onye bụ nwaanyị ibe. Anụ mbama. Ezi.
Look at me. I am ready to change. In fact, we are ready to change.
You are run.
You don't want to change. Huh? Please go ahead.
God will punish the both of you. Ekwensu. Sofia Bono.
Sofia again. Why you better say Sofia?
Idiot. Every time you be fighting, they want to kill me. They want to kill me. They want to kill me.
See what your fleetness has caused. You see, thunder will fire you. Drop it. I said drop it. I've told you that without number. If you are talking, keep the cutlass.
Your medicine. No.
Stop that. It's not that I'm afraid of that cutlass. You cannot give me anything and do anything for me.
I greet you well.
Didi, how are you doing today?
I thank the gods. At least I woke up well. They said anybody that slept and woke up well and then see the light of the day should thank the gods.
Ndidi, I was actually coming to your house to talk to you about something.
Hope all is well.
It is well. It is about your sons that I wanted to come and talk to you about. They abandoned some yam in my place and refused to come and take it back.
Yam kwa?
Yeah.
Why would they abandon yams in your house?
Both of them came to my house and said they wanted to ask the hands of my maiden daughter in marriage. They brought some yams and without conclusion, they left the yam there and went away and never came back. So I was coming to tell you that if I wait for them and I don't see them to take their yams back, I would have to throw those yams away into the bush.
Nai Azondo, please don't be angry too much. Don't throw the yams away. I will tell them. I am going to talk to them. They will come. They will come and see you. Because maybe they will take the yams back.
Ndidi, now that I have seen you and I've given you the message that was bringing me to your house, I'll have to go back home.
Please don't be angry. Oh, I am going to talk to them. They will come and meet you and take it easy on them when they talk to you about your daughter. Oh?
Ndidi, the right way to do this thing, is it not for the man to go and speak with the bride to be, and both of them will agree, and after the agreement, now the man will now go to the father of the bride to be and declare his intention, and then they will understand it and the man may approve or not.
You're absolutely right. You're right, Nai. There's no problem. I will talk to them and they will come and speak with you. Oh? I'm on my way going to see my sister at Umunkwa.
Oh, it's the same way.
It's the same way. Thank you, Nai.
Actually, so they have not returned to take back their yams. They haven't though. Maybe they have gifted the yams to you and your father.
For doing what favor to them?
Who knows? They said a gift opens the doors to men.
Not when it comes to those brothers. You see, in Kata and Ekwe, those brothers are troublemakers, especially in Kata. Troublemakers.
They must have loved you so much to leave their proposal yams to you.
Ncheta.
Ajure.
Please hasten up with my hair and be done with it before my father returns and is hungry.
I'm almost done. And your hair is looking so good.
Ezioku. Hey.
Thank you so much, my friend. I shall reward you abundantly when I get married.
Here. Adure, when you get married, and when would that be?
Who knows? The way suitors are coming around me these days, anything can happen within a twinkle of an eye.
No, say Adure.
Hey, Mama Anatao. Chizaram, I greet you. Welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. And how are your parents?
They're under the mercies of the gods. No. Did you see those men?
I did not see the men, but I saw their mother. And I gave the message to their mother for the sons. If they fail to come in the next 2 market days, I will share out those yams to people and they will lose them.
Good. Good for them. Good for them. Those brothers, they are so troublesome. I mean, the trouble flows in their veins as blood.
My daughter, I'm going in to rest a little before the food is ready.
It is well, Father. Your meal will be ready before you're done with your rest.
Adure, let me hurry back home before they start worrying about me.
It is well, my friend. Thank you once again for the hair. I shall not forget your reward when I get married. See you later. I'll see you, my friend. Hey!
When I asked you both to go and get a maiden you get married to, I did not ask you to go out there and disgrace yourselves before the people of Umweze.
Disgrace what? Which one is disgrace again? And who told you that we disgrace ourselves before the people of Umweze?
Like a rabbit, I have my ears to the ground, so I hear everything that happens in this community.
Your wells are deeper than tomorrow's pregnancy. Yes. They say tomorrow is pregnant, that we don't know what it will give birth to. That's how it looks.
I heard you abandoned your yams at Chizaram's house and have refused to go and get it back.
Yes, I refuse to go and get it back because the love I have for Adure restrained me from going to that house and pick my gift back. Yes, look at me. What is yam? Digi Gambo. I am already made farmer. Can you few tubers of yam? It will not kill me. Huh?
And you, Nkata?
I thought about going to retrieve my yam from Chizaram and her daughter. But since this Ekwensu have decided to leave his own there, I will go and retrieve mine, and what is about to be wasted.
They are one-legged fowl. All the evil things you have been harboring in your heart. If you dare go to Chizaram's house and you finally touch my gift, you finally touch my gift, Amadioha is going to break that your useless neck and you will never survive it. See, Wahimo, I will never ever repeat myself. Get away from here. Step out.
Nkata, you have to take your yams and go and do things the right way.
Hey, boy, Chizaram. Even when you come, since I have come to you directly, you should consider approving my proposal to marry your daughter.
Is it Chizaram you have come to marry or the daughter?
Hey, your daughter, not you.
then go and do things the right way. Have you spoken with that maiden?
Ichie, we always speak every now and then. Yes. She greets me and I answer to her greeting. I greet her, she answers me. And we don't quarrel. No.
Ankata, that is not what I am saying. I'm not talking about greeting and answering of greetings. I'm talking about whether you have spoken to this maiden concerning this love that you have for her.
Ichie. The thing there is this. How do you expect me to go and start talking about love affair with a maiden? Yes. Don't you think I will be shy to do that?
Nkata. You will be ashamed to talk to a maiden. If you are going to be ashamed to talk to a maiden that you want to marry, are you a man?
Ha! Nanye biakwa. Biakwa. No. A fool man. Real one at that. No. Fearless man. That is me.
Okay. That is fearless. Okay? But you are ashamed to talk to a maiden.
I did not say that I am ashamed. I only said that talking to a maiden about love affair, I may be shy. Yeah, shy. I'm not afraid.
Nkata, you will take your yams and go home. Hey. Then go and speak to my daughter about this love affair, this love that you have for her. Your heart. Agree with her. Then come back to me.
Ichi. Then what about my brother's yam that is here?
You are taking everything. You are taking everything. You see, when you came, I was actually busy inside the hut. So you can go now. Let me go and bring your yams for you. So you can go.
Ichi. Hey. Oh, my $1. I'll charge you.
Why are you so worried about this matter? That man challenged you to become a real man and to have boldness.
He did not challenge me. He abused me because I'm interested in his daughter. How can he say that I am afraid of an ordinary maiden?
Now that you have brought the yams home, what do you want to do? You have to decide whether to go back and start talking to the daughter, or you find yourself another maiden.
Welcome. Welcome. Well, some people think it is easy for you to come and talk to a maiden. They think that talking to a maiden is like digging 2 bags of yam from the ground. But they are afraid to talk to ordinary maidens.
Nne, want him. Tell this Ekwensu to keep away from my matter. Nobody has invited him. Let him keep away. Keep away. Want him.
The fucking Amajiji. Yeah? See, I don't even blame you because you are not a man enough. It is only the bold, the brave, and men enough. People who are not afraid of women, people who are not afraid to talk to maidens, will always have their ways. And when they open their mouth and talk to maidens, the maiden will answer yes without answering question. Let me shock you. I'm going out there to bring a beautiful maiden for you to approve. Yes, it's not like some people who will just sit at home brooding like children.
No, it's a fluff. I told you to leave him. Ozugo, it's okay.
Anyway, you will be here begging and complaining, crying like a small child that is looking for breast or something. Let me go there and bring a new maiden for you so that you can approve it. I'm coming back home. Have you heard that?
This young
Leave it.
Remove what?
Wow. Why did you come here to spoil our game?
Yes, beautiful face. I thought both of you were fighting.
Fight?
Ha!
Yeah.
We are not fighting though. Do we look like monkeys that fight? My brother may be monkey. I'm not a monkey. I don't fight like that. We'll be playing a game of a yam and a goat. So my brother here is a goat. Me, I am the owner of the yam. So I'm trying to rescue my yam from this goat so that he does not eat it.
Well, Kokoroko! Kokoroko! Have you seen it? My brother here is very, very right.
I don't lie.
Icheta, I want to ask you, this one you came to pay us a visit. I hope all is well.
All is well. But I have a very important message for both of you.
Message? Are you sure it's a message or did you come to buy yam?
No, I did not come to buy any yam. Rather, I came to discuss about your yam at Ichie Azondo's place.
Hey! Asuribakwute, Asuribongoloko. Ha! Okay, for you, this is Sialo. Even Nasi 2 Ekekwo. In Nasi Go. In fact, we should give you a title called Gossip Morgan. How do you know about the yam we left at Ichie Azondo's house? How did you know? Oh, we're not sure.
His daughter, whom both of you proposed to, is my very good friend. And I know everything that happens around her. I know that you left your yams at her house. Yes, you Ekwe, some tubers. Why you, Nkata, basket of yams? And if you want me to tell you why it was rejected, you will have to oil my palm to get that information.
For this thing that you just talked now, I'm going to give you 2 tubers of yams.
And I am going to double it.
In fact, I'm going to add 2 on top of the one that I gave to you.
And I will give you 8. Yes.
Yes. Okay, listen. You will promise me not to tell anyone you got this information from me.
We look to you like a gossip. I don't know about my brother, but I'm not a gossip.
See, let me tell you something. I'm going to bury everything here. Nobody, no ear, no eye will hear anything.
Hey, you see, you're
yes.
safe.
Listen. I think the reason why Ichie Azondo rejected your yams is because he wants his daughter to marry Dinta. And Adure has feelings for Dinta. She has been collecting dried meat from him.
Hey! Oh!
Okay. You can go now.
Okay, my yams.
Which yams? What yams?
You have not given me the yams you pledged.
Come, you should start going. Go home. Come back later for the yam. There is no yam at home.
You will give me my yams.
See, let me tell you, if you don't go out of this place now, I'm going to use my leg and tell Adura what you came here to do.
So this is how both of you are. May my forefathers punish you for deceiving me.
If you continue to abuse us again, we'll go to a deal and tell her what you told us. Now quick here.
Look at
her. I know Papa. I don't believe Dinta. Hey! Dinta.
What's going on?
I am going to confront him.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to confront him. One-legged fowl. Can you imagine? Wait, am I dreaming? How can a half human being is going to compete with someone who is with a gun? A gun! And a full-fledged man, no, for that matter. You must be dreaming. But wait, Dinta, you are not a good person.
My son, Ichie, let it be as we have agreed.
Thank you, Ichie. Thank you, Ichie. I will do exactly as you have instructed me. Let me run along for today's hunting.
It's well, my son. Adure, Adam, come. Come and see him off to the road.
Oh, no.
Ichie,
Yeah?
thank you.
I will see you.
Adore, please help me. I will keep my eyes on the substance as he has advised.
Dinta, thank you for everything you've been doing for my father and I. Thank you so much.
Adore is nothing. I am a successful hunter today in Omaeze Kingdom. It's your father that did it. He mentored me well. So what I'm doing for you is what he has already done for me as a mentor and also as a father.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
Thank you all the same. Let me run along.
Hey! So this is true. So this is true. Kokoroko! Pati wo.
Yeah, Dinta. So this is true.
Nkata, truth about what?
That you are going to buy pepper at the same market where we've gone to buy vegetables.
Let me remind you, market is a gathering of everybody with different needs and different motives. Oh yes!
Nkata, I greet you both.
Oh, Adure. So this is the reason you and your father refuse to talk to us because of this thing.
Dinta, we've always known it that you are a betrayer, a joy killer, and a troublesome person. But you see this one? You see this? We will not allow you to spoil our joy.
Nkata Nekwe, I don't know what both of you drank before entering this road, honestly.
Okay, forget. Why are you drunkard? So we are now drunk. Okay? We are drunkard. We will show you how drunkard behaves.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Adore, please, you have to hurry back home. I don't want you to stand here and watch the way I'm going to unleash my anger on them. Please.
Unleash?
No, trust me.
So you are sending her away. So that she will not witness what we are going to do to you. Because we are going to squish you. We are going to destroy you completely. You're going to get through. We are going to deal with you today.
I don't know what happened that made me to deserve this confrontation.
It's because you have always been our problem.
Yes! You don't know the problem? Because you came to snatch our maiden that we have already proposed to.
Yeah. Are you going to deny it? Here you now here. Let me see you here with us.
Oh yeah! What can you do?
My father! Father! Now! Father! Oh!
What is it? Why are you shouting like that?
Father, it is Dinta. He's in the danger of being beaten by Nkata. He's being confronted on the road right now.
Which road? Where are they?
On the road by Ukwetere. Father!
Wait here. Let me go and find out why they are mad.
I should wait.
Is it because you own and shoot God that you think that I, Nkata, will be afraid of you?
Nkata! Nkata, I warned you for the last time. Don't push. I said don't push.
And if he does, what will you do? I said if he does, what will you do? In fact, let me push you. I want to see your horse. Hey!
What is doing of it? Get down! Take off!
Why did you get into a fight with those useless sons of you?
Ichia was standing, bidding Ado a farewell. Before they emerged from nowhere, these two Eflefu started accusing me that I snatched what belongs to them, Ichia.
Hey.
As a man, as a dinta I am, I have to defend myself. Yes! That was the reason of the fight.
Dinta, I hope they did not enjoy you.
Ichia, you did not, you're not supposed to ask such questions. Eh? Listen to me, they don't have no power. They possess no power at all. They can only talk. They have no single power. Ichie, I'm a son of lion. And they dare me not, Ichie. Oh, yes!
It's well. Dinta, it's well. Pick up your gun. Take your gun.
Ichie, you are their saving grace. Yes!
And go back to your hunting for the day. Go back.
Ichie, you are the one that saved them.
Leave this.
Oh, yes!
Leave them. Leave them. Hey! What is wrong with these sons of Ndidi? Eh? Why do they causing troubles all over the places? Hey! Hey!
What is chasing both of you? Why are you panting like a rabbit that escaped the hunter's cutlass?
Dinta wanted to shoot us with his gun. By now, they will be calling you to come and carry our dead body.
Dinta wanted to shoot you? Yes. Why?
For no reason. For no reason at all. Just because we asked him to remove his hands from our proposed pot.
Exactly. And he beat us up and placed us on the ground. It is not a small thing.
It was only you that he lifted high. Lifted you very, very high and threw you on the ground.
It is a lie. It is a lie. It is the time that you came to rescue me. That is when he lifted you up and threw you on the ground. Yeah. Until Ichiazondo came. That is when we tried to escape.
No!
Agade.
My forefathers. What have I done? What did I do that you gave me this Efulef boys? Oginikame. Eh? 2 men that cannot face one man in Umweze.
We faced him. We faced him.
You faced who? You faced him and you are like this. You faced him and he beat you up like this.
Why, you didn't understand what I'm saying.
Stop calling me Wanyi. You cannot fight a man and you are here calling me Wanyi.
That's what I'm saying. That he didn't beat us.
Is your here?
He only put us on the ground. When Ichiazondo came, In fact, when he want to make a final decision, that is when the man can and will escape. Nothing else.
Shame. Eh? I am so ashamed of you both. Hey! Asemunne! The only thing you people know how to do is to fight yourself, eat and drink. That is the only thing you are good at. Tofia Kuno!
No, you're not supposed to be saying this. Huh? You're supposed to be encouraging us. Huh?
I should encourage you. Lazy fools. Just a man, ordinary man. You cannot stand and face him. You are talking. You should bury your faces in shame.
My fellow
Bury
woman,
your face in shame.
My fellow woman is not like that, yo.
Hey! Shame on you!
You.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Bye. Who is at home? Adania. Adure.
Don't look happy. Adure, welcome. You don't look happy. Why? Does it appear on one's face? You know that I know you very well. I know when your face speaks. What did you say to Nkata and his brother?
About what?
About Dinta and myself. What did you say to them?
I did not say anything to them. Did they say I said anything to them? Or do you have anything with Dinta?
Dinta was attacked by Nkata and his brother because of what you said to them.
Who said this to you? How did you know I spoke with the sons of Ndidi? Why are you believing those worthless men of Umueze?
Worthless? They may be worthless, but they know what they want with their lives. And they told me you told them. You said to them that I have something with Dinta. Why did you say that to them?
Adure, you are accusing me falsely. I did not say anything to them.
You are denying what they said about you.
I did not say anything to them.
I really want to believe you. Yes, I have to believe you, knowing fully well that they can say anything to win my love over your friendship. You did not say anything.
I did not.
Believe you.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you for believing in me. Trust is very important in our relationship. Huh? Thank you.
Yes, you are right. And you will be my friend forever, ever.
Thank you.
Dinta.
Adure Naya, Dinta is here.
Dinta.
Adure.
Do you really mean to take me in as your future maiden and wife? Do you really mean it?
Adure, you have become a game that I must track. Trail and capture for keeps. What will stop me in taking you from the steed of Azondo to the steed of me, Metacolous Hunter? Adore.
Whatever you want to do it quickly before some other hawk snatch your chick from your hold.
Tia! Nothing of such. No hawks, kite, or tiger has the power to take you away from me. Adure, I will make mincemeat of such enemy.
Dinta.
Adore.
Come quickly. Come quickly and take me out of my father's stead and make me a maiden in your own kingdom. Come already.
In my kingdom, you said. Adure, you will not be too long in the state of Azondo. I'm coming very fast to come and ferry you away to be my kingdom, Adore. Adore, have this. Adore.
Thank you for the meat and thank you for your love.
Adore, Naya.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, you at home?
Did anybody tell you that I will not be at home today?
I was wondering that you are at home.
Stop wondering. I am at home. What can I do for you?
I brought this gift to you. A roasted yam soaked in well-peppered oil.
And what have I done to merit such gifts?
Because you are too beautiful. In fact, your beauty attracted this gift to you. Yes.
Why are you here?
It's your father, Ichie Azondo. He asked me that I should come and talk to you.
My father asked you to come and talk to me.
Exactly.
About what, if I may inquire?
It's
It is what?
it's too heavy in my mouth to vomit it. You know what? Take this gift. I will come back later so that we can discuss about it.
Yeah. Ekwe! Look at him running like a woman. Come back and take this nonsense away from here. Ekwe! Come back here, come and take this shame. I don't want it. Ekwe!
Hey, it's about good morning. How are you? Yeah,
Nkata, how are you?
I am fine, no. I am so fine. I was actually coming to your house.
I hope all is well.
Yes, so all is well. Everything is fine.
Okay. Thank the gods. You have seen me now. Or do you still want us to go back to my father's state?
Hey, no need. Bano, no need. Yeah? What I want to discuss with you, whether we discuss it here or we discuss it in your home, is the same thing. So let me go ahead and share the discussion. Yeah?
I am listening.
Hey, 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 hey. Have it. Hey.
What is this, if I may ask? Who are you sending me to?
Hey, Mbanono, I'm not sending you anywhere. It is from me to you. It's well-roasted yam, and well-prepared pepper oil. Mixed with uba, enough uba.
What do you mean?
Cheta, it is my little way of asking for your hand in marriage. Yes.
What happens to the affection you have for Adure? Ichie Azondo's daughter.
Adure, forget about that one. I realize I do not have any feelings for her. See, let me tell you, one day I sat down, I asked myself a question. Think properly, think very, very well. Yeah? I realized that you are the most beautiful one. So instead of busy fighting my brother over her, I decided to come to you because you're more way beautiful. You forget?
I have heard you. Let me go and think about it.
While you are at it, let the oil inside help me make you fall in love with me.
Nkata, what did you and your brother say to Adure about me?
Hey, me? Said to who? Adure? Did she tell you that I said anything to her? I did not know. Hey! The gods will bear me witness. I did not know. I am not a gossip. Cha. Hey! I am very, very certain that is that useless brother of mine. Yeah, so I'm sure he's the one that went to gossip you with her. I don't gossip. He's not little all over me. No, or none. Do I look like a gossip? I am not a gossip.
I've heard you.
Hey, Bendy, why not go home? Go home, enjoy the roasted yam, and let the oil help you to fall in love. Fall in love with only you and not my useless brother. And also, think that's my side. Enough uwa, enough pepper, enough mangala, enough yedi. Afu no wanya, afu even watch. Hey,
why are you looking pity?
I am not happy. My heart is shattered. I have a broken heart. Ever since I talked to Adure, and Adure refused to talk to me, ever since then I lost my happiness. I can no longer understand myself anymore.
Oguna, is that all? Is that why you want to kill yourself over? Gekwanti, if Adure says she doesn't want you anymore, there are many beautiful maidens in Umweze. Why don't you pick one and live your life with it?
Nemo, you won't understand. Adure is where my heart belongs. Adure is where my heart lies. I cannot breathe without Adure. I cannot talk without Adure. Even while sleeping, I will be talking about Adure. Adure is the only thing that can make me happy. And that is the maiden that I've been thinking about. And I cannot do without her.
Did you not say her heart belongs to Dinta? So what is it? Why are you Why are you crying? Now tell me. For a man to be a man, he must learn and know how to stand disappointment. Now tell me, how do you want to cajole her to leave him and then be with you? Your brother has already moved on. Yes, he has his eyes on another maiden.
Another maiden?
He is talking to another maiden as we speak.
Who is that?
Ncheta.
Ncheta?
Hey! Ogini.
Oh, Ncheta. Hey! Ncheta that has always been my alternative maiden if Adure fails.
Hey, then go for her. You have to hurry up and then go and meet her. Because as we speak right now, your brother might be standing or sitting in discussion with her.
Okokoroko! Pachi wo. Okokoroko!
Pachi war. Well. Nem. Why is this boy Nkata always putting his feet in my water?
Osi.
Nah, it is well. I rest my case.
They were roasted and prepared by my daughter.
Beautiful Adura. Your hands made this yam taste wonderful.
Thank you, sir. My father taught me well.
You see? Thank you very much. Well, Adura. Beautiful that I'll be cheap.
May the gods bless your thoughts.
Ekwe. Welcome. You met us well. Please, come and join us and enjoy the yam. I said, come and join.
No, don't worry. I'm here for a very important matter. So I have to wait until you finish your yams. Then we can talk about my own yams.
It is well. Just sit down and watch us while we eat and be clapping for us.
Be clapping. The chair say you should be clapping. Louder.
I want to check my crops and know whether they've grown wild. At the same time, I want to see how grasshoppers have affected my crops. Yes. In case Ncheta comes, please kindly tell her to come to that my farm at family. She should come and see me there.
Did she tell you she's coming to see you today?
No, she did not tell me, but sometimes you know how winds bruise leaves.
So bad, huh? Go well then.
Ekwe, until the word is spoken from the mouth, no one judges it. So you can go ahead and repeat what you said before, because then the yam was going down the stomach with the water. So now you can go ahead and speak.
Ichi Azundo, it's all about the roasted yam that I gave to your daughter to speak to her, as being directed by you. So I'm here for a reply. I come here so that people can give me an answer.
What did the maiden say to you? Or what did you say to the maiden?
It wasn't me. It was the roasted yam that I gave to your daughter so that it can speak to her. And the proverb of the matter that I spoke while giving the yam to your daughter.
How?
What's again? Yeah? See, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. See, we didn't invite you in this matter. This matter is important matter between me and Ichi Azondo. If I hear your word here, if I hear a word from your mouth, I'm going to deal with you. Close that your useless mouth, Ocho. let me hear a word from you again. I will deal with you. Nonsense.
So, tell us what happened.
Nam, I was at home that day.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, you are at home?
Did anybody tell you that I will not be at home today?
I was wondering that you are at home.
Stop wondering. I am at home. What can I do for you?
I brought this gift to you. A roasted yam soaked in well-peppered oil.
And what have I done to merit such gifts?
Because you are too beautiful. In fact, your beauty attracted this gift to you. Yes.
Why are you here?
It's your father, Chizaram. He asked me that I should come and talk to you.
My father asked you to come and talk to me.
Exactly.
About what, if I may inquire?
It's
It is what?
It's too heavy in my mouth to vomit it. You know what? Take this gift. I will come back later so that we can discuss about it.
Yeah. Ekwe! Look at him running like a woman. Come back and take this nonsense away from here. Ekwe! That was exactly what happened that day. Exactly. That is what happened that day.
Ngichie was as shy as the yam he brought to Uemeden. Very shy.
May thunder strike. My mother has struck that your useless face. Nonsense. Idiot. I have warned you time with that number. You should remove your mouth from my talk, from my conversation. Whatever they call you. Don't put your mouth here again. No. Don't put your mouth here again. No.
Let your hand don't touch me.
Ekwe.
Let your hand don't touch me.
Ekwe. And why do you think that he is not free to speak in my house, where he is more comfortable than you?
Ichie, ask him. Ichie Jobaya. No, ask him. Go ahead.
You did not speak to the maiden, and you came back for a response. Ishori kwa gemma. Ishori kwa gemma.
You're not on the stammerer. Go ahead and answer the question.
Adam, are you ready to speak with him now? Speak to him. Talk to him.
Be fast, so be fast. Chizaram. I don't know what this man is doing here. I don't know what he's doing here.
Be careful in my house.
Tell him to go so that I can feel comfortable here.
Yeah, I'm just respecting you.
Young man, be quiet.
Ekwe. Take it back. Take it. When you are ready to come and talk to me, come for a proper response.
As simple as that. Collect it. He has given you your own proposal. Now stand up and leave. What are you still waiting for? Open your mouth. Flies will enter your mouth. Get out of this place.
Go and speak properly to the yam, so that the yam will speak to the maiden. Go.
Yes. Make your head stand. If yeah, close your mouth. For flies will rush into you. He said, get out, get out. Get out. Get out. You, no problem. Have you seen it? Have you seen your handwork? Have you seen your handwork?
Have you seen your handwork?
Leave my house.
Problem. I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back. Pachiwa. Nchetachi okike. Wow, the most beautiful maiden in our clan. Look like a sunset. What? I greet you from the bottom of my heart.
Ekwe, I greet you. I hope you have seen the day well.
Seeing you makes me happy. In fact, that shows that I just found favor in the eyes of my ancestors. The benevolence of my ancestors has rested upon me.
Glad to hear that.
Auntie.
What is that?
I just called your name. Are you surprised?
I am surprised because you're not this romantic. Neither are you friendly.
Kokoroko! Pachiwa! Kokoroko! Auntie. See, you don't know me very well. You don't know me very well because I am too romantic. In fact, I am an embodiment of romance. My surname is supposed to be Roman. You know what? The taste of pudding is by eating it.
And who is about to taste your pudding?
I am the pudding, and you are the one that is about to taste the pudding.
Okay. Enough of these proverbs. You're confusing me.
Okay.
Speak in the language that I will understand.
You know, I am a shy person. And my heart, my mind always failing me. I don't know how to say what I want to say now.
You're a grown man, and I'm a grown maiden.
That's true.
So speak.
Are you sure that you are not going to laugh at me on what I want to say now?
Why will I laugh at you?
Can you swear?
Go ahead. I promise I will not laugh at you.
Kokoroko! Kokoroko! Pachiwa! Here we go! Odema. Nchi. I want to marry you.
Here. I will come back. I will not laugh at you. Here. He has left. Daddy, I greet you.
Maiden of Umueze, you are welcome. I hope you are well.
All is well, Dandy. I have come to speak with your sons.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Then,
Are they home?
is it Nkata you came to see?
Both of them, Dandy.
Okay, let me call them. Ekwe! Nkata! Come, you have a visitor.
Hey! Who do we have here? Cheta? Maiden of Omens. Have you come with your response to my proposal?
Ose, proposal. This is the maiden that I'm talking about, that I'm about to bring to you, for you to approve her for me. Huh?
Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. I will not take this one from you. Do you understand? I hope your madness have not started again. This will not be the same case with daughter of Mazazondo. Don't try it here, oh.
Calm down. Ekwe, calm down. Ncheta, I hope you are here to see me, right?
Yes.
I hope you're here to give response to my proposal, okay?
Yes. I am here to speak with both of you.
Daru, both what?
Ne Umokoro Mweze. I'm here to speak with your sons.
Sons? Bia Ncheta, are you well? I thought you said you're here to speak to me about my proposal. Why are you talking about sons here? Huh?
Oh, Guinea, what is it? What is the problem? Let her settle in with her words before you start attacking her.
Mother, I don't like this one. There is nothing like sons here. Only medical sons. This is the matter of myself and Ncheta.
Says who?
Says me.
I said, says who?
Says by Nkatanade Yimili.
Who are you in this family to talk that kind of a thing? Oh, as the first son of Nendi. In fact, the first son of this family. Eh? Okay. So, Badura.
If both of you will not allow me to say what I want to say, I will leave.
Ignore them. Why are you both doing this to yourself all the time? Eh? Ogedeno. Every time you are quarreling, fighting, attacking each other. Why? Ne, please go on.
Neumukuro Nzedike, I am so confused by what your son said to me. The other day, Nkata met me and said something to me with a gift. What did he say to me?
That I want to make her my wife. Oh, never the name.
Hey!
Hey, man.
Hey, funny man. Hey, what am I going to see?
Dandy, the other day, Ekwe met me and said the same thing that Nkata told me. I am so confused that I'm here for them to tell me what to do.
Whoa! Kokoroko! Kokoroko!
Have you seen it? Yeah? What you see with your eyes is better than what you heard with your ears. Euphoria, Nanyan, look at the man that came with gifts of marriage to you. He's here, crawling like a cock, bleating like a goat. I
don't have your time now, but I want to ask you a question, Ncheta. If you are not wise, will you consider a one-legged man as a husband, as your own man? Because while walking along the road, you will see your friends, and your friends will be referring to you. Look at this, a wife of one-legged fowl.
Would you also consider this idiot, this Ekunsu Odogonogo? He's hiding his tail. Then search it now, you will see the tail there. Yeah? Would you also consider him someone that clothes like Kokoloko? People will start calling you wife of Kokoloko or Evecho. Is that what you want?
Yeah. You are very stupid.
Kokoloko.
Look at how. What?
Kokoloko! That is what they will call you. Don't agree to him.
Don't push me. Try to push me now. If you push me now, I will do something that will
point at me again, I will bite.
Don't do anything.
Adam. Adure Naya. Adure. Please sit down. I have something I want to discuss with you.
Father, I'm seated.
It is about the sons of Nzedike that I want to talk to you about.
What is it you want to speak about them?
Did they come back to speak with you as directed?
Father, please do not talk about Ekwe and his brother Nkata. Those men are not serious. Father, any man that is too shy to express his love to a maiden is not man enough.
Exactly.
I've not really given much thought about them. Those do not appeal to me as husbands.
Very good. Very good. I have heard you. And my heart is settled and relaxed on this matter now. You can go in and continue with what you were doing before I called you.
Thank you, Father.
All right.
I'm going to bury you alive. You don't know me very well, oh.
No, you don't know me.
Okay.
You don't know me, Cha-Cha. Okay, for this thing you have done today, this thing you did today, I am going to destroy you.
Eh?
Yes!
You're going to this?
I will let you know how embittered I am towards you.
Eh?
Yes!
In fact, let me tell you something. If you know the person you are talking to, just touch that person.
I've touched you. Can you hear me? I have just touched you.
I don't want to stop calling you when you begin.
My fellow woman. You see, my fellow woman, Ncheta, both of you are my witnesses. Because what I'm going to do to this one-legged fowl here, for you to disrespect me in front of my beautiful maiden, I'm going to deal with you. You don't know me very well.
Stop it! Diana! By the time I'm done with you, I'm going to when they are done with this one, you should settle this one. Hey! Diana! I'm so ashamed of you. Now the maiden has left. She has gone. No, she has gone. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! The maiden has left. She has gone. Hey! She has gone away.
Wait. You mean my beautiful maiden has gone out?
You
know what? I'm going after my beautiful maiden.
Only baby.
Iche. It was a big mistake, Iche. Honestly, I was lured away by love. And this happened, Iche. Iche, please.
Inta, Iche, you didn't have self-control. And you were not able to keep your manhood in one place.
Honestly, Iche, I'm regretting all my actions. Iche, please.
Do you know what they say? That it is when the digger huts the yam that things go wrong for the yam.
Hey, Iche, I'm finished, Iche, I'm finished. Honestly, we can do something about this, Iche. You are a father to me, now Iche, advise me on what to do, Iche, please.
That I should advise you?
Please advise me, Iche.
The only advice I can give to you, Dinta, is to go ahead and marry that maiden who now carries your child. I thought it was going to work out between you and my daughter. That was why I wanted to give my daughter to you. And now, I can see it will never happen. I wanted to make you my full son by giving my daughter to you in marriage. But now, I can see that you are not tempered enough to keep a maiden.
Hey!
See, hey! What is here?
Can't we do something about this?
There is nothing we can do.
I'm wondering why both of you have decided to do this today. What is the joy all about?
Hey! Nem, we are happy. I and my brother, we are happy because we have decided that we are going to bring our maidens from their father's hut, yes, down to our place. So that they will come and help our own mother to run some family affairs.
Yes. Bacon, when do you plan doing that?
Yeah. In the next 4 market days.
Yeah.
On as was na fion.
Oh my people will know that my sons have arrived.
Let me dance. Come on, beat for me. Let me dance. Beat for me.
Why have you brought this gift of yam to me again?
Adure, our people says that what the fowl chases after in the rain is very, very important to her. When a man fails, he keeps pushing. I don't want to give up.
Ekwe, have you come to ask me to marry you again?
I didn't say so now. But if you would permit me to say it, I will say it to see how possible it will look.
Ekwe.
Adure. Sorry. Adure.
How I wish my father is here to see you and to hear what you've just said.
I have run into trouble.
Ogini.
I have run into trouble. Please, it is a mistake. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell your father.
Why are you shaking?
You see, don't tell your father that I came here. Please.
And this gift?
They are all a mistake. Please, please. I don't want your father's trouble again.
Please. Stop it.
Let me
be a man at heart. Okay? Be strong at heart. Be a man and be firm in your resolves. Be a man. Stop shaking.
I have told you before that I don't want your father's problem. I don't want you to tell your father that I came here. Please, now. Please, let me.
Father!
It's just when I greet you.
Ekwe. Why were you standing while I was coming in?
Stop shaking.
You told me that I should stop coming to see you.
Ekwe, relax. Don't be a coward. Stop shaking. You are the one behaving like a woman now. I can see you are already getting along with my daughter. Relax. What is your problem? See, my son, be a man. Be a man. Relax. Breathe in, out. In, out. Relax. I'm coming.
Go now. Shake.
Hey! Guess what? I no longer fight my brother. We are now in good terms. Hey!
Nkata, I am happy for both of you because you're the only two children of your parents.
Yes, so
Not all the time you are fighting like cat and dog.
some of our kinsmen came to mediate for both of us. And we see reasons to settle our differences. We are no longer cat and rat. We are now united and not divided.
That's
Hey!
good. Now, if I agree to be your maiden, I will be sure I am not coming into a warring family.
Wait. Are you trying to agree to my proposal?
Yes.
Hey!
You can go and come with your people and tell my family your intentions.
Hey! Oh, you come for? Hey! Adamba! Hiya! You have just brightened my day. Yes, I will not wait a day to come with my people to make my intention known. Hey! This
Thank
is
the
good
gods,
news.
Nkata. Thank the gods. said that the patient eats the fish.
It's not only about fish, even catfish. I am going to let my brother know about this.
Ekwe, my son,
Ichiazundo.
if you are ready and serious, I am willing to give the hands of my daughter to you in marriage.
Are you ready? Ha! Ichiazundo. Wait you. I am ready. Even now. My hands are open to receive, to take your beautiful daughter as the mirror of my heart, that is Ugebobim, as my own wife, as in my own wife, my own wife.
Adulena,
No.
did you hear what he said?
Yes, Father.
So what do you say?
I stand where the feet of my father are touching the grounds on this matter. If you approve, I accept Ekwe as my future husband.
Do you have heard my daughter's acceptance of your proposal from her own mouth? So, what you will do now, go home to your kinsmen, meet with your kinsmen, agree with them, and then come back here and start the marriage rites.
Hey! No. I am dreaming now. I am dreaming. Hey! Wait, Ichiazundo, you have brightened my day. You have brightened my day. Kokoroko! Pati. Who else? Hey!
Sit down. I am going to go in there and bring palm wine and bush meat for you. You are too happy.
You have made me proud. Nemo, thank you for agreeing to marry my son and for agreeing to be the maiden that will fill my son's teeth with children. God bless you. Lady, God bless you. Hey!
Nemo!
Hey!
Thank you. And I can't wait for you to come with cakes of palm wine and tubers of yam and take me away from my father's state.
It is done!
Pati wo. Kokoroko! Pati wo.
Hey!
If I do Rogori, Azola na fair. Finally, she is here because she has been asking me that I should bring a maiden for you so that you can approve her. But lo and behold, look at a blessed maiden, a daughter of Ichiazundo. Her name is Adur.
Hey!
Achalugomu. No. No. Oh. But my son, what did the hen that has this chick say when you took the baby?
She wished both the kite and the chick good.
No.
Wow! Kakaraka! Pati wa! Kakaraka! Pati wa!
Nemo. You're welcome. Thank you very much. No.
Yeah. Kakaraka! Pati wa! Kakaraka! Pati wa!
My son, you have done well. You have made me proud.
When you go.
I'm going to stop calling me my baby. I'm with you.
Nkata, my brother. Can you see the hands of the girls?
I've seen it already.
Ichiazondo, my in-law to be, in fact, my in-law, said to me that anytime I'm ready, I should come with my kinsman for the house of his daughter. Careful. Yeah? That is, as you see me like this, I am a married man.
And you are seeing me now. I am also a married man.
Look at
Father!
My daughter, you are happy now, are you not?
Father, I am overjoyed. My heart is peaceful.
They will soon arrive.
Yes, Father, I want to hurry up with my sweeping so I can go and hide away before they arrive.
And while you are hiding, I will be here to receive them.
I'm so happy.
Sweet.
Oh, Kanasa, ciao.
Abazuen is welcome. I welcome you.
Greet you and your household.
You are welcome.
Cheers, I greet you.
Hey, why, Oma?
Nice.
You are welcome. May the gods look upon you with mercy. Please, all of you, Ekwe Nankata. You are welcome to my stay.
We greet you too.
Please sit down.
Our people say there is no time for prayer for a fought and won battle. Concluded agreement is settled with the North.
Yes, buried with a knot.
Ishikeje Kwenya. Ichiazondo, you know why we are here today. So let's go ahead without too much protocol.
I understand you well. But it is said that only a fool does not know that his brother should be served as a visitor.
Oh, yeah, no, you believe.
Only believe and one day I will be. So, I'm going to return very soon to attend to all of you. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Why you?
My beautiful maiden in this land of Umese. Dodo, how would this thing happen to me, Dodo?
Dinta.
How? Dodo,
Dinta,
tell me.
Eh? Dinta, why are you killing yourself? No one dies for the sake of a woman. You're not even happy that someone has agreed to spend the rest of her life with you and give you offsprings. Eh?
Dodo, how did this happen to me? How? How, Dodo, how?
The man that wears long clothes gathers a lot of debt on his way. Dinta, you caused this misfortune by your hands. And you know it.
Dodo, Adore was the woman for me. I missed her because of my carelessness with that maiden. Dodo, how would this happen to me? Hi.
The gods are wise. All you have to do is accept the reality that have stared on your eyes now and move along with your life. If Adure was to be yours, the gods would have aligned her on your way. Dinta, let's go on the ways of the animals before they go to rest.